What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Just doing another update for the channel because I've been scrummaging out here in the lab. Found some stuff that I actually should have did last year, but I didn't do it. But it'll tie into this video here that I'm about to do, which will be an update for 2021. Like I said, man, I was out here in the lab just looking through some stuff. I was like, oh crap, I never got around to actually opening some of this stuff, so might as well go ahead and do it now. This package here, I figured I could just dig in and pull her open, and y'all could see that. That is some TechFlex. I thought I grabbed it in the middle, maybe not. But this right here is some TechFlex, some black TechFlex from, like I said, last year. This would have been in last year's build. In the Tahoe, but like I said, I never got around to actually opening this up. So I believe this may be 50 feet of TechFlex that I get. Well, I would say that I got to get on, but like I said, it's old news. So we'll set that off to the side. But like I said, man, last year with the whole COVID and all that, I never got motivated to actually go ahead and finish up any of these builds. And right there, right along with it, here's some white TechFlex. So, like I said, this is some stuff that I found out in the lab here from last year that I should have did. But like I said, never got around to doing a video. Never got motivated to actually finish up that Tahoe. So, there's plenty of white and black. It's going to be sitting around because I don't have a use for it right now, you know. So, we'll see what I come up with, but clearly, maybe I should scoot that back. That is a fudge ton of TechFlexes. I believe both of these may be 50 feet. So 50 feet of white, 50 feet of black. Set those aside. Also had this huge GP sticker. Like I said, that was sitting around as well. The Sky High Car Audio. This has been sitting around for the better part of a year, if not longer than that, man. So just figured I'd get some stuff out the way. Like I said, since I kind of knew what that stuff was, when I was squeezing on the package, I was like, okay, that's got to be TechFlex. And it jogged my memory, like, yeah, I did this last year because my build theme last year was going to be white and blue to go along with the TechFlex. But moving along, we have a box here in front of you, and we also have this little thing right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this. So boom, there you have it. GP America, GP America. So what you see in front of you here is some red and some blue heat shrink from GP Car Audio. Still cool with them. Shout out Tyler Jolly. So I went ahead and got this to go along with this. Let's get her open. So like I said, that TechFlex that I had right here kind of goes along with this video here because now we see some TechFlex in front of you. Y'all see a 3/4 inch Patriot, 50 feet. I'm going to go ahead and go red, white, and blue this year, man. So I've been thinking, you know, I got the Impala now. The Impala's red. Of course, I'm gonna go tint the windows, all the whole nine. So it's gonna be red and black. I've been doing car audio since high school. Excuse me. I said, red and black is so old school, man. I can't go back to doing red and black, man. That's just, it's not my forte. It's like, man, you know, every car audio shop that you've ever been to, red and black. Everywhere that you went to, red and black. Amp kit, whatever, you know, until Sky High and all these other companies came along and changed the game as far as, hey, we got lime green, we got purple, we got blue, we got teal, we got whatever, we got hot pink, you know, we got clear now. So I just, hey, I got all black wire, but I didn't want to go red and black. So, and like I said, in order to dress her up, I got this TechFlex. Like I said, it's Patriot. I don't know, man. It's a lot of light reflecting off of it. Might be better to look at it through this here, man. It's But like I said, man, it's red, white, and blue. This is something, shout out to my man, Dina Fernando. They had this promo going to where if you get this, spend $25, you get a free shirt. So this is one hell of a nice shirt. So like I said, the TechFlex, that had to come along with, as far as me. Y'all know me, I'm doing budget, but SPL. Like I said, didn't want to go with the color as far as red and blue. I mean, as far as red and black. So I went red and blue on the heat shrink. Red, white, and blue as far as the TechFlex color. So moving along, we get this shirt here. So like I said, shout out to my man Dina Fernando, 5-star car stereo. If you haven't subscribed to their channel, definitely need to get on that, man. Those guys just give you all the knowledge you can handle, man. So they got this shirt, obviously, get jacked. I went ahead and got in a 2X. So I'm going to open it. Looks like, okay, it's by Gildan. This is a good shirt company. One of the Cox Communications. I don't know if some of y'all are like California, Southern California, Louisiana for sure. I know we covered that. I think Atlanta too. Cox Communications, y'all have seen it. Like I said, if some of y'all are in those areas, obviously Nebraska, well, Omaha, you got Cox Communications. So this shirt here is made by Gildan. My company, when I worked for Cox Communications, all the company shirts was made by this company. So it's good quality material. So I'm gonna lay this on this not to get dirty and move all of this stuff out of the way. So this shirt, along with, whoops, these speakers, this lanyard, this PRV wristband, these DS18 stickers, this street beat piece here, like I said, I don't know whatever the hell y'all call that, and some Sky High car audio heat shrink, white and black. So now what I'm going to do now is go ahead and include all of this in the giveaway. So what I'm going to do tonight, maybe tonight, tomorrow, I'll try to figure out as far as what I'm going to do to get the giveaway up and going, whether I'm going to hold it for a week or maybe 2 weeks, man. I'll figure it out and we'll go from there, man. But like I said, just want to do an update for the channel due to the fact that I got these in yesterday, I think. And then this came in today. So I figured, you know, why the hell not just go ahead and do a video and add these items in. And like I said, I'm going to include this Get Jack shirt in the giveaway, man. So stay tuned. As far as my build, there's going to be a whole lot more for me to do. I got some stuff on the way. Just waiting for shipping. Eventually, with the stuff that I got coming in, we'll start getting around to installs and things like that, man. So stay tuned. There's going to be a whole heck of a lot more coming up on the channel here. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit that little bell so y'all know when I'm uploading, man, because you got some like I said, brand stank ass new speakers. You got all of this stuff here, and now you got a shirt to go along with it. You can't fit it, give it to your girl. Stay tuned. Any questions, comments, concerns? I'll try to get back to everybody. And y'all know doggone well, 2021. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got to take it, man. Y'all have a good weekend. Stay tuned. I'm pretty sure I'll be around tomorrow or later on tonight. We'll see what happens, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here.